Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for your safety, both at home and at work. Electrical hazards related to socket outlets. Stay tuned to learn how to keep your environment safe. First up, overloading outlets. Plugging too many devices into a single outlet can cause overheating and potentially lead to fires. Always use power strips with surge protection and avoid daisy chaining multiple strips together. Host, make sure the total wattage of the devices plugged into the power strip does not exceed its capacity. Check the manufacturer's instructions to be sure. Next, let's talk about damaged outlets. Cracks, chips, or loose-fitting plugs can be dangerous. If you notice any damage, replace the outlet immediately or call a licensed electrician. Host, using damaged outlets can result in electric shock or even start a fire. Regularly inspect your outlets to ensure they're in good condition. Another major hazard is exposed wiring. This is a serious risk and should be fixed right away. Never attempt to repair exposed wires yourself unless you're a qualified electrician. Host, keep all wiring covered and away from high-traffic areas to prevent accidental damage. Water and electricity don't mix. Outlets in bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoors should be equipped with ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, to prevent shocks. Host, test your GFCIs monthly to ensure they're working correctly. Simply press the test button and then the reset button to check. Finally, never leave devices plugged in and unattended for long periods, especially high-wattage appliances like space heaters or irons. Host, always unplug devices when not in use to prevent potential overheating or short circuits. By following these simple precautions, you can minimize the risk of electrical hazards in your home and workplace. Stay safe and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more safety tips. Thanks for watching.